Where is the gift deed?
There is fraud and undue influence. She has taken the father from his residence, kept with her for 2 years, and later on she executes a gift deed and oasts him out. He's ousted out of the house, and it should be liberally interpreted.
Liberally.
He should get a relief. He's in a vridhashram.
No, that's all right. How much are you paying?
She has not paid anything there.
How much are you paying?
No maintenance is being paid, my lord.
I will direct maintenance. How much you want per month?
In fact,
10,000 rupees for me and my 13,000.
13,000.
daughter is not working, my lord.
What's your husband?
Husband has a small general store.
Small general stores.
General store.
Generally small stores.
Very-
What is the property
Site
dimension?
875 square yards.
10,000 rupees, yes.
Please, my lord.
You want the property?
She
I have in all these cases ordered 10,000 rupees
She is in
maintenance.
possession of-
No bargain.
No
10,000.
Father, madam,
10,000.
is your
my lord.
father.
She has no capacity, my lord. Housewife, my lord. 7,500.
Arey, husband ilva?
Other
Madam, you are not giving it to a stranger. He is your father. Taking care of the father is your responsibility. Yes.
I respond in my lordship.
Covered.
covered, my lord.
No, my lordship, that
Where is the gift deed?
Please, my lord.
Gift deed ellide.
Gift deed is on page.
What is the condition there?
My lordship, there is no condition, but
No
what has-
condition ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Alla. There is fraud and undue influence. She has taken the father from his residence, kept with her for 2 years, and later on she executes a gift deed and oasts him out. He's ousted out of the house, and he's.
What to do, madam? Supreme Court judgments are against you.
My lordship, it should
I
be-
can't help it.
It should be liberally interpreted.
Liberal. Supreme Court has said so, madam.
No,
What
my
to do?
lordship, he should get a relief. He's in a vridhashram.
No, that's all right. ಈಗ how much are you paying?
She has not paid anything there.
How much are you paying?
No maintenance is being paid, my lord.
I will direct maintenance. How much you want per month?
In fact,
Wait, madam. How much you want per
My
month?
lordship, 10,000 rupees for me, and my wife has filed a criminal miscellaneous against me.
ಅದು
And
that is a separate cause of action.
That 13,000, my lord.
my lord,
10,000.
13,000.
13,000. ಅದೇ ಯಾಕೆ 13?
ಅವಳು ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ನಾನು 3,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡೋ 2,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ.
ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. 10,000 rupees, yes.
Please, my lord.
You want the property?
she
I have in all these cases ordered 10,000
He
rupees
is in
maintenance.
possession of joint family property, my
Maybe.
lords, and he also has savings.
You are
Whereas
the,
I am a housewife, I do not have any income of my own, and I have 3 daughters, my lords.
no problem.
Not in a condition to pay maintenance. And even mother is with me, my lords. I am ready to look after my
No, my
mother.
lordship, my mother
Who
is
he had
still-
abandoned, my lords, by the way.
What are you ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Wife.
ಹಾ.
She is not, daughter is not working, my lords.
What's your husband?
Husband has a small general store, my lords.
Small general stores.
General store.
Generally small stores.
Very small, my lords. Like,
He is also-
Dabba angadi tara, like small angadi ಇದೆ. And he has they have 3 daughters, my lords. They have no capacity to live. In fact, we are looking after mother, my lords, who he had abandoned, my lords, by the way, and she had resorted to begging.
No,
We
my-
got her and we are looking after her, and
Who
maintenance.
is the
award
second?
ಆಗಿದ್ದು
Who is
he's
the
not-
second petitioner?
Petitioner is the daughter and
Second
her
petitioner.
husband of the
Husband of
son-in-law.
the first petitioner. All right. What is the property?
Property is only a
joint
site.
family property, the my lords. So
That is not-
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು?
properties
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮೇಡಮ್.
Do not have
ನಿಮಗೆ
any
ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಏನು? ಏನು?
Site.
site,
Site.
my lords. Open.
What site? Dimension?
875 square yards.
Now where is he staying?
He is staying in a room, my lords, as per
At
our
home.
information, and he's
Vridhashram.
working.
Where is he staying?
ಅವ್ರು ವೃದ್ಧಾಶ್ರಮ ಅಂತಾರೆ, but there are no.
The document is there.
ಈಗ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಿರಿ ನೀವು?
ವೃದ್ಧಾಶ್ರಮ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಾಕ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನೋ ಮೇಲೆ
Priya, what working madam? Wait.
age is around 75.
All
He's
right.
having a deposit of only 2.5 lakh rupees. Whatever is coming out of that, he's paying and staying in the vridhashram.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated 21/9/2021 passed by the Deputy Commissioner affirming the order passed by the Assistant Commissioner on 28/5/2021 by which the gift that was made in favor of the petitioners by the third respondent is annulled. The heard source. The parties to the list are that the third respondent is the father of the first petitioner and the second petitioner is the son-in-law of the third respondent. On 2/9/2015, it transpires that the third respondent purchases a property measuring 875 square yards. Square yards or square yards
Square yards.
at Koppal. On 12/2/2019, the third respondent executes a gift deed, gifting the property to the first petitioner, the daughter,
Only daughter.
first petitioner, the daughter. Long thereafter, alleging that the third respondent has been abandoned and not being taken care of as is necessary in law. The third respondent approaches the assistant commissioner invoking section 23 of the So and So Senior Citizens Act. Assistant Commissioner, in terms of his order dated 28/5/2021, dismissed the petition on the score that there was no condition stipulated in the gift deed for it to be annulled. This is challenged by the third respondent before the appellate authority, the Deputy Commissioner, who upturns the order of the Assistant Commissioner and annuls the gift deed. It is this order of the Deputy Commissioner that has driven the petitioners to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would vehemently contend that the gift deed does not stipulate any such condition of taking care of the needs of the third respondent, the donor of the property, and therefore would submit that the assistant commissioner had rightly rejected the application filed by the third respondent. The deputy commissioner has committed an error in reversing the finding of the assistant commissioner and annulling the gift deed. She would submit that the issue in the list stands answered by a judgment rendered by this court in writ petition. Per contra, the counsel representing the third respondent would vehemently refute the submission to contend that the act should be construed liberally, and therefore the donor having not been taken care of by the donee, the first petitioner, should necessarily result in annulment of the gift deed. Whether there is condition stipulated in the gift deed with regard to taking care of the donor or not is immaterial, is a submission of the learned counsel appearing for the respondent. The state would also toe the lines of the counsel appearing for the third respondent. I have given my source. The afore narrated facts are not in dispute. The gift deed is appended to the petition. It is an admitted fact that the gift deed does not stipulate any such condition that the third respondent should be taken care of his needs throughout his life. And therefore the assistant commissioner was justified in rejecting the claim of the third respondent on the score that it did not contain any such stipulation. The deputy commissioner passes an order upturning the order passed by the assistant commissioner and orders annulment of the gift deed. The issue whether the annulment could happen in the teeth of the fact that there was no stipulation or condition in the gift deed need not detain this court for long or delve deep into the matter. The issue now would be whether the third respondent, who was the donor of the property and the beneficiary of such gift being the first respondent, or the second respondent, husband of the first respondent, has been paying any kind of maintenance as is available under the Act. Under the Act, the maximum maintenance that can be awarded is at 10,000 rupees. Therefore, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the daughter and the husband have no avocation of the kind that can give the father, third respondent, month on month 10,000 rupees. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent, however, would dispute the position and seek such maintenance. To balance the said submissions, I deem it appropriate to observe that the third respondent donee of the property is entitled to maintenance from the hands of the petitioners at rupees 7,500 per month. For the aforesaid reasons, the following order. The impugned order of the deputy commissioner so and so is quashed. The order of the Assistant Commissioner stands restored. The donor of the gift deed is held entitled to maintenance at 7,500 to be paid by the petitioners exclusive of any other payment that is made. The third respondent third respondent is at liberty to approach the concerned court for redressal of any residuary grievance if the third respondent would so desire. Yes.
That's 5,000.
Fund submission,
No bargaining.
No
10,000.
Father, madam,
10,000.
is your
my lord.
father. No, no.
Mother also is with me
Ten
only, my
thousand.
lords,
No
like,
problem.
to look after mother
No
and
problem.
father.
She has
Yes.
filed a criminal miscellaneous and she's taken
That's all.
2,500.
He's not giving, my lords.
That's a different cause.
No, my lordship, there's an attachment I have paid up.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 2,500 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
10,000 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ sir.
No, madam. Done.
He has no capacity, my lords. Housewife, my lords, 7,500.
ಅರೆ husband ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Adenne, my lords, 3
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
daughters ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Like, they don't have the
ಅಲ್ಲ,
income.
property
Madam, you are not giving it to a stranger. He is your father. Taking care of the father is your responsibility. Yes.
Mother is with me. He has abandoned the wife
Oh,
also.
that we'll see. Yes. Next.